think the theme to the assembly was very good. It was very fun.
I think it had a great message and just motivational for the new school year.
4 different letters that everybody could like have their own word to relate to.
The gratitude
Gratitude.
is essential for being a student at Milton Hershey. You just gotta be thankful for all the opportunities that have been given to you.
I'm grateful for my mom bringing me to this lovely school because I knew I would get a good education.
Intent.
To me, intent means just being committed to what you want to do.
You are intended to do something good to other people.
V, vision.
Vision is seeing to help people.
You have to be able to see what's going to happen.
E is enthusiasm.
When something is hard or when you fail at something, you don't give up, but you keep on trying till you get it right.
Having enthusiasm is what helps you keep a positive mindset, and I believe that's good to succeed in life.
Being able to give is really important because when you do give, that means that you're helping somebody.
It can change a lot of people's lives.
It makes you feel better as a person, and it makes the person that you're giving to feel better about themselves, and it makes them want to give more.